How you doing, my people? How are you this morning? How are you this afternoon? Welcome to the Douglas Family Lifestyle. Let me tell you something, man. It's very cold. Very, very cold. The sun is out, you know. But trust me, the sun can't compete with this weather. How you doing, my people? How you doing? Welcome to another vlog. Douglas Family Lifestyle. Welcome all new subscriber. Thank you so much. Well appreciated. You know, thank you very much. Now we are heading very, very close to 500. I think we need about 13 more subscribers. Come on, my people. Need about 13 more subscribers. What's it like where you're living right now? Well, UK is very cold and windy. Right? No rain today, I must say. I'll go down to town and be back. Sorry about the sunlight. You know? For the sunshine. Stoplight to go. Yo, my people, catch you in the bench. Bye for now. Class. Busy. Out for now.